I had the loss of a number of my molars. This was as a result of football injuries. They just fissured after a while over time, probably weakened because of numerous cavities that I'd had from many years before. So this is really, I got to the point where my regular dentist couldn't do anything more for me. So he introduced me to Dr. Volchonok. Dr. Volchonok was very direct, but also very precise in terms of what needed to be done. He explained to me that I had fairly grievous decay of the bone structure and that there would be a need to do bone grafting in the future. But before we even got to bone grafting, there would have to be a cleanup process. And the first part of that cleanup process was the LANAP methodology of the laser deep cleaning. There was no pain whatsoever. I didn't sense any discomfort, and I didn't have any discomfort after the procedure. I was very comfortable with the whole process. I had the procedure about 3 months ago. Since that time, there's been a very rigorous schedule of how I conduct my oral hygiene. And I do this now religiously 3 times a day. I also have a handheld pick to massage the gums in between the teeth, and that is also done 3 times a day. It's changed my life in the sense that I now see the value in taking the time to do these things every day. I would recommend Dr. Volchonok and his team as well, because it's not just him, it's all of them put together.